Hi friends, today I am going to talk about riding boots. You all know riding gear is very important when you are riding a motorcycle, and so are the riding boots as well. So I am going to share my story about these riding boots. These are my track riding boots, and these are my city and long rides riding boots. So I'm going to tell you in detail what I feel about these, how long have I been using these boots. Also, then I'm going to share with you these new boots that I have. These are the Daytona boots, so I'm very excited. These are my new shoes, so I'm going to show you how these boots look and then tell you my impressions about it. So let's go. I'm going to start with my Supertech R track riding boots. So you can see this is a beautiful shoes, very good protection. Many of the MotoGP riders also use similar kind of shoes. So you can see ample protection on the toe. I have got the magnesium toe sliders. Good protection on the heel, very good protection. There is a lot of protection here for the ankles so that in case of a fall you do not twist. Perforation also, very nice protection. So you have a zipper that goes from here till here, and then you have this brace as well to finally close the shoes. So beautiful shoes. I really love this shoes. I've been riding with these shoes on the track since I think so about 3 years now, and let me show you one of the craziest feature of these shoes, friends. To have more protection, see, this has got another shoe inside. So according to Alpinestar, in order to have the best protection, they have used this design where you have a second shoe in this. So protection here on the ankle so that in case of a fall you do not twist and hurt your ankle. Good protection on the heel. Toe protection is available on the external shoes, so a lot of protection here. Beautiful material. So I love these shoes. You can see another shoes. So I'm going to keep it here and talk about this. However, now friends, with time these have started to give away. So you can see they are going away from here, also from the sole they are going away. So probably it is good time for me now to buy another pair and explore another riding shoes. So these are Supertech R Alpinestar shoes, friends. All these shoes that I am going to show you I have purchased from India. They are available in India. Various sellers are selling these shoes here now, so you can get them here in India. So beautiful shoes. I really love these shoes. This is my second pair. First I used one pair. I really loved the protection and the design of the shoe, and then I bought the same pair once again. But now both the shoes are starting to give away. Probably it is the duration now. So like I said, see, they are going to give away. They are already gone, I think so. So it is good time for me to use buy another pair. So but I really love these shoes. These are Supertech R. Now let me put these away and I'm going to show you the next shoes. So these are my city riding shoes. These are TCX short shoes, short riding boots, very nice. So you can see I really love these boots as well. So I'm going to use this pair, this one. Amazing shoes, very nice protection on the toe, good protection on the heel. I've been using these shoes since about 3 years now. No sign of wear. Beautiful. These are waterproof shoes. This is my problem. The heel guard of my bike is scratching, so it is not the fault of the shoes. Beautiful. I really love, the best part is the velcro, so I love the velcro part. It is waterproof. Amazing shoes. I like these short boots for city rides. Amazing shoes, very good, very nicely built, Italian again, TCX. So, good shoes. However, now with time I think so they are also giving away. See this wear. This is actually not Boots fault, this is my fault. My bike's gear shifter does not have a rubber protection, it has got metal, so hence now these shoes are giving away. I was a bit disappointed, but this is not the Boots fault, this is my fault. So you can see it is good time for me to change, and hence I've got another pair which we are going to discuss after this. So very nice boot, I really love this boot. These are also available in India, so you can purchase these here in India. I am going to now keep these away, and I am going to keep these shoes here. These are my new Daytona, made in Germany, made by hand. I am really excited about these shoes, friends. So I'm going to, let's take both. Okay, see these beautiful made in Germany by hand Daytona boots. So these are called Daytona Journey XCR. Let me keep it here so you can see. I have purchased this from India only. Motopoto.com is the website that sells these boots here in India. Leather shoes, again velcro. I love the velcro part. It is very easy to put on these shoes, and Gore-Tex material, so these are going to keep my feet comfortable in long rides, summer conditions. Beautiful shoes. Check out, the build quality is very good, very good. Protection at the toe, again we have the protection here. I am going to make sure that I use a rubber on my gear shifter before I start riding with these boots. Good protection on the toe, ankle is also protected. Very nice shoes, friends, very nice shoes. I am really excited. These are my new shoes. So beautiful short boots, beautiful German. So I have tried both the Italian brands now, Alpine Star, top of the line Supertech, then the TCX, now these Daytonas. Look at the profile, beautiful. I will share the details of the seller in the description, just in case you want to check out these shoes. Friends, these are made by hand, made in Germany, a German product. I am an admirer of German products and I have very high expectations. So maybe I'll create another video where I will share my first impressions, or maybe a long ride impression of this shoes. Meanwhile, just check out, beautiful. I love these shoes. Okay friends, hopefully you enjoyed the video and the information was helpful for you. Till the next video, I'll see you again. Bye bye.